What's up, TNS family? Welcome to Raro Choo! Okay family, today is a beautiful Wednesday. The clouds is a bit grey, but it's no different from yesterday except there's a bit of a wind. So yesterday there wasn't really a wind. Today there's a lot of wind. If you can't hear us blowing through the camera, but we are here at a special request by this person.
My name is Boasa.
And she messaged us to come through and check out this beautiful place. It's called Bite Time Fresh Fish Shack. I'm so excited. It was you. We came because of you. Oh really? Guys, we came specifically because of her. He was too cute. Wow. Oh, here's the owner. The owner's in, guys.
Alright, so we've found a little spot to eat. But I think these chickens this one, they look like heaven. We like jump on the so me and Sera are trying to suss it.
Thank you. Okay, let me go.
A fisherman platter. This is a sushi and your chicken nibbles and the hash.
Wow. Thank you, brother.
Thank you.
My man.
He's so sweet. Okay guys, we're gonna dig in.
Bam, our food is here.
Presentation is on. That's a shell. The plate is a shell. Okay, I need to try this honey before I try this. Oh, first I've been craving Lisa hard. Oh, I'm a bit nervous. I've never had this before.
So fish.
Honey, that melts in your mouth.
Literally.
That's so good. Okay, I've been dying to try the chicken nibbles.
And as well.
Dip it in the mayo.
Yep. Yeah, so good.
Do you mind passing me a napkin?
Mm-mm-mm.
That's so good.
That was wonderful.
I don't know this one.
Roasted, eh? This is, I think this might have been cooked tuna. A little dab.
Oh, try the okra honey. Oh.
Oh my goodness. Yeah. Yeah, that's very good.
Okay, let me try. Oh no!
Oh, jeez.
The chicken just tried to get her lunch. Oh no! These chickens are ruthless. Okay guys, I'm gonna dig into my poached egg. Let's have a look. Is it runny? Do you think that's runny or? Oh, it is runny.
Maybe
it is runny.
Oh yeah.
Ooh. It's oozing. I put that with some tomato sauce.
Get a little bit of bacon.
Well done. Let's get the bacon in.
Nice.
Okay guys, the food's amazing. Let us just dig in and we'll be back to time.
Hey TNS fam, welcome to our song. Please don't forget to come to Bite Time over here and Body Fuel over here. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.
And thank you to the kitchen. Thank you for our food. Thank you, chef. Thank you guys.
1, 2, 3. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Wait, one more time.
15 minutes later.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe.
What you got here, honey?
It's a school bus. How cute.
Oh, look at the uniform. The uniform's nice. Oh man.
How cute.
What's this dude? Oh, he's ready for That's a big boy. Hey, big boy.
Hi, big boy.
That is by far the biggest pig I have ever seen.
We're back on the road. We stopped off here in Raro and we stopped at Caps. We just got a tiptoe ice cream that's melting like crazy. Why would my husband give me a 3 scoop?
But I told the bro double. It's not free. So you go take your complaints to that, mate.
I'm not grateful for free food, eh?
Not at all. Not at all. Extra scoop, man. Guys, when I was younger, my papa went to Tahiti and came back and taught me all this stuff. But one of the things that I really loved so much was
What's that?
Yes, it's so good. It's like some Tahitian oil. It's just amazing. So if you guys ever try this, get some of this. It's very, very nice. It smells so nice. There's different flavors, but this is the one I like.
Stop at that. The green honey, okay? This is hard. I'll be back. Okay guys, so this is the lagoon and wow. Oh my god.
Oh, they want to chill.
here at Chantal's place. This is the owner right here. We're opposite of the Fruits of Rarotonga. And we're gonna go snorkeling there. But first we had to come and hire some flippers. As you could tell from our snorkeling yesterday, it was good, but I felt like we needed some flippers to go a bit more faster, or like, yeah.
And it was like the same effort, but the flippers help you go through the
Yeah, definitely.
Make sure you come and check her out. I'm so sorry, we had to show the prices. I think this is, oh my god!
Oh my!
That's alright.
Look at that thing.
Don't jump on me. Hey guys, almost died.
What are the chances?
These are the prices. I think that's a good deal.
Very few.
That's a fair deal. But we got the flippers on to help us this time. Oh, it's quite heavy. Okay fam, so we just came back from snorkeling. Bruh, do I have a story to tell you. So we're like swimming in between these rocks. I hope we have some footage, but anyway, swimming in between these rocks, and there was like these, like, when I mean dark fishes, black fishes, they were like, I don't know, just staring at me in a certain way. I kind of started to freak out. When we first got up to this coral where all the fishes were, it wasn't like scary because like we were going through sand and stuff. All I saw was corals. Like I couldn't see anything else but these rocks and heaps of fishes, and like, I don't know, I started to panic, and then I was like, oh my gosh, honey, take me back, I'm freaking out. Because in the back of my head, all I keep thinking of is there a shark coming to eat me? Because is that why all the big fishes are swimming around us? Anyways, we're changing because we're gonna go to the night market. I was panicking bad. Anyways, that's my story. It's where I want to be. And as long as you know, oh darling, I don't get anywhere. Just inside your eyes. Anywhere. Just inside your eyes.
what's up? We're the Cherryberries. We sell like churros, loaded stuff, crazy wild desserts. You can catch us at the Woody Night markets on all the Woody Nights that are open. If you want to hear some rubbish and you want to hear some burst of our service, we'll hook you up with that as well. So come get it. Well, like our slogan, we'll get lost, man.
My man.
Yeah, we have Instagram. Follow the Cherryberries, Rarotonga. All of it. This is the deep fried Snickers coming out. So,
Oh, wait.
Don't lie, you planned this.
That was good, bro. One take, two.
He's a paid actor.
oh,
What are the chances?
very good, my bird.